As the light of day fades, the western sky boasts its brilliant red glow at sunset, signaling a time for replenishment. The beauty of the sunset ushers in a time for life to pause and rejuvenate. Intended for evening use, Kyani Sunset is the perfect nutritional complement to Kyani Sunrise.
Kyani's core purpose is to help people experience more health and more wealth. And it's not accomplished with ordinary products. Kyani is all about creating the extraordinary, and Sunset helps us set that standard.
In the original formulation of Kyani Sunset, we were supposed to look for something natural and something that is a potent antioxidant. And we came up with two key ingredients. And the first one is a powerful vitamin E tocotrienol from the Amazonia. And the second one is a pristine fish oil from Alaska. Together, this original Sunset support vascular health and support good lipids. While Sunset has proven to be very successful, we have identified ways to enhance and push this product beyond the horizon. Because of this, Kyani Sunset will remain the forefront of nutritional science.
At Kyani, we are constantly trying to improve our company, our products, everything that we do. It's part of our culture. With that, we are pleased to unveil new enhancements to Kyani Sunset. Sunset still contains the powerful tocotrienol vitamin E and omegas from wild Alaskan salmon oil. In the new formulation of Sunset, we've added the all-natural form of vitamin A, beta-carotene, and the essential nutrient vitamin D. Since both of these are also lipid-soluble, we are maximizing the bioavailability of Sunset nutrients for absorption. These enhancements to Sunset will only bolster its health benefits, making them more impactful and visible in people's lives. This is very enabling for our distributors and will help them build successful and lasting Kyani businesses. In a very real sense, our customers and distributors can experience more.
Beta-carotene is a natural organic compound found in plants and vegetables. It has all sorts of colors. After ingestion, it is metabolized into vitamin A, yielding many powerful benefits, including supporting heart and cell health. It strengthens the immune system and is known as one of the most powerful lipid-soluble antioxidants available. Sunset now contains vitamin D. This essential vitamin helps the body absorb calcium, which is an important process for bone development and strength. Vitamin D promotes cellular growth, boosts immunity, and helps to reduce inflammation. With 30,000 miles of arteries in our body, it's like circulating the globe 2 times over. That is what tocotrienol, the most potent vitamin E in Sunset, is protecting.
An improvement in your physical health has real-world effects on your career and relationships. You might tackle that extra project at work, or spend a little more quality time with a loved one. You may help brighten the day of someone who needs a smile. It is exactly for these reasons that we invite people to experience more. At Kyani, you can never expect the status quo. The enhancements we're making to our products reflect our philosophy and our commitment to be the best. Having exceptional products leads to an increased opportunity for distributors to grow their Kyani businesses. There's a lot of enthusiasm surrounding our products, and there has never been a better time to be a Kyani distributor.